Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel, where we focus on helping you master life skills that lead to personal and professional growth. Today's episode centers on why developing essential life skills is key to navigating the complexities of both career and relationships. Through structured learning modules, mp3.Academy offers you a step-by-step guide to improving everything from time management and emotional intelligence to problem-solving and adaptability. This platform is designed to integrate seamlessly into your daily life, allowing you to learn and grow at your own pace. By listening to these audio lessons, you'll be able to cultivate the skills necessary for long-term success and continuous self-improvement. Get ready to explore the key elements that help you master those life skills that lead to personal and professional growth. Mastering life skills is a crucial component of personal and professional success, and mp3.Academy offers a unique platform to help you achieve this mastery. Whether you're aiming to improve your communication skills, develop better time management techniques, or enhance your emotional intelligence, the structured learning modules provided by mp3.Academy are designed to guide you step by step. Through accessible audio content, the platform enables you to develop life skills at your own pace, making the learning process both practical and flexible. By integrating these lessons into your daily routine, you'll find that mastering life skills becomes an achievable and rewarding journey. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the primary advantages of mp3.Academy is its focus on self-discipline and personal growth. Each module is carefully crafted to help you cultivate self-discipline, which is essential for reaching long-term goals. The platform encourages consistency through daily listening and practice exercises, ensuring that the knowledge you gain translates into actionable habits. Self-discipline, as taught by mp3.Academy, is not just about staying focused. It's about creating a mindset that supports continuous self-improvement, making it easier to build momentum and achieve the outcomes you desire. Time management is another life skill that mp3.Academy addresses in depth. Effective time management is the foundation of productivity and success, and the platform's modules provide practical strategies for organizing your day, prioritizing tasks, and minimizing distractions. By teaching you how to allocate time wisely, mp3.Academy helps you maximize your efficiency and balance various aspects of life, whether personal or professional. Learning how to manage your time better ultimately leads to reduced stress, greater work-life balance, and a more structured approach to achieving your goals. The platform also places a strong emphasis on emotional intelligence and communication skills. Both are crucial for navigating relationships, whether in a workplace setting or personal interactions. mp3.Academy provides detailed lessons on recognizing and managing your own emotions, as well as understanding the emotions of others. Through these modules, you'll learn how to improve empathy, active listening, and nonverbal communication, all of which are critical for building strong, positive relationships. As you hone these skills, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle difficult conversations and resolve conflicts, both of which are key elements in personal and professional success. In addition to emotional intelligence, mp3.Academy focuses on building self-confidence. Many people struggle with self-doubt or imposter syndrome, which can hinder their ability to take action and pursue opportunities. Through targeted modules, mp3.Academy teaches strategies for overcoming self-doubt, reinforcing positive self-talk, and celebrating small wins. These lessons are designed to help you build a resilient, confident mindset that empowers you to tackle challenges head-on without being held back by fear or hesitation. A key aspect of mastering life skills through mp3.Academy is the emphasis on goal setting and achievement. The platform introduces the SMART goal framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that allows you to break down larger objectives into actionable steps. This method not only helps you stay focused and organized, but also provides a clear pathway to success. By following the modules on goal setting, you'll gain the tools needed to create a roadmap for your personal and professional aspirations, making the process of achieving your goals far more structured and attainable. Problem-solving skills are another area where mp3 Academy excels. Every day presents challenges, both big and small, and having the ability to approach problems with a clear and creative mindset is invaluable. The modules offered by mp3 Academy teach you how to identify problems, analyze them, and develop innovative solutions. By sharpening your critical thinking skills and learning how to approach obstacles as opportunities, you'll be better prepared to navigate the complexities of life, both in your career and personal relationships. Adaptability and flexibility are also essential life skills that mp3 Academy helps you develop. In today's rapidly changing world, the ability to pivot and adjust your approach is more important than ever. The platform's lessons on adaptability teach you how to embrace change, stay open to new ideas, and remain resilient in the face of uncertainty. These skills are not only critical for long-term success, but also help you maintain a positive, proactive mindset in times of stress or upheaval. Finally, mp3 Academy encourages continuous learning and personal development. Mastering life skills is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires dedication and a commitment to growth. The platform's modular approach allows you to revisit lessons, build on your knowledge, and continuously refine your skills. By fostering a mindset of lifelong learning, mp3 Academy helps you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring that you remain adaptable and capable of achieving success in all areas of your life. In conclusion, mp3 Academy provides a comprehensive and practical approach to mastering life skills. Through structured modules focused on self-discipline, time management, emotional intelligence, goal setting, and more, the platform empowers you to take control of your personal and professional growth. Each lesson builds on the next, offering a clear and actionable path to success. Whether you're looking to enhance your career, improve your relationships, or simply grow as an individual, mp3 Academy offers the tools you need to make it happen. Invest in your future today by embracing the power of lifelong learning with mp3 Academy.